Geeta wants to say something kada?
Yeah.
ప్రసన్న చెప్పమను విన్నాడో
లేదు నేను మధ్యలో నేను వినలేదు. జస్ట్ ఫాలోయింగ్. నువ్వు క్యారీ ఆన్ అక్క.
ఓకే
చెప్పనా?
చెప్పండి
ఓకే
సార్.
అంటే ఒక నిమిషం కాదు. యాజ్ రైమా ఈ సెడ్ నో, చిన్న డ్రైవ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు రిమెంబర్డ్ బాబా. బాబా హిమ్సెల్ఫ్ టోల్డ్ వెన్ యూ స్టార్ట్ ఎనీ వర్క్ రిమెంబర్ మై నేమ్, ఐ టేక్ ద రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ అన్నారు. వీ బిలీవ్ 100% బాబాస్ వర్డ్స్ కాబట్టి ఎనీథింగ్ వీ డూ నో వీ రిమెంబర్ హిజ్ నేమ్. డెఫినెట్లీ బాబాస్ నేమ్ helps in whatever we do according to my experience. Okay, Baba quotes says, intellect must go before knowledge dawns. Intellectual explanation can never be substitute for spiritual experience. Yani Baba words. Intellect can be used as much as misused or abused. The deeper the intelligence, the greater the responsibility for the discrimination between essential and non-essential services. Don't mistake verbosity for wisdom. A great flow of words are not necessary or indication of great intelligence. Do not give any importance to explanation, discourses, and books. Words carry no meaning. Whatever we think, we understand, we have not really understood. Reality is beyond human understanding. It is better to study it than to be ignorant of it. Better to feel it than to study it. Better to experience it than to feel it. And best of all, to become it. It is good to use discretion in all things. Before coming to any decision, give more importance to the heart than head. In all the matters, the judgment of the heart should be given preference. To ask for a purely intellectual proof of the existence of God is like asking for the privilege of being able to see with your ears. He told in the speech also. Without actual experience, all philosophical statements are idle talk, and all ceremonial phenomena are a further addition to the existing one. You may go through the scriptures superficially only to drive away the barking dogs when necessary. For instance, when you are called upon to answer the questions of the priests and the orthodox, all Meher Baba said these things. Okay, the use of knowledge by the mind is a state of thinking intelligence. Not thinking is unconsciousness and may be likened to a sound sleep. Thinking and imagination are latent in intelligence. When intelligence thinks of itself, it realizes itself and is God. When it thinks about imagination, it is the world, mind, body, and ignorance. Baba, when he was in America, a Negro named Edward James came to Baba for darshan. When any Negroes come, that time they are treating him like untouchables. Now, Baba used to stand up and wish them and then only sit. When any Negro came to meet Baba, then Baba used to stand and welcome him with great love and respect. Edward had read many books. Seeing him in front, Baba asked him, having read so many books, what have you learned? Tell me in 5 words. Hearing Baba's question, Edward could not reply as what he could answer to this question of Baba, and he was looking Baba as if he is not able to answer his question. At this, Baba pointed on his alphabet board, I have not learned anything. Are these 5 words correct? Then Edward, moving his head, affirmation said yes. So, you may use your intellect, but not at the cost of disobeying my orders. You may think as long as you have a mind, you have to think. Your mind never stops thinking. It will tell you that it could not be night when your eyes see sunlight. Remember not to let your mind lead you to disbelieve in the Master's words. You must think and understand that there is some important reason and purpose behind whatever benefit of others. Whatever he does is always for the best. So do as the Guru tells you and let the mind think as it likes. That is enough. Jai Baba. These are all Baba's words.
That's nice, Geeta. Okay.
Gita, one question I have. Where did you read the word Negro?
నీగ్రో అంటే ఇక్కడ నీగ్రో అంటే బ్లాక్ అని రాశారు నీగ్రో ఇన్ దిస్ బుక్.
అమ్మో, అయితే బాబా గారు తప్పు మాటలు మాట్లాడేస్తాలాగా నీగ్రో అని.
లేదా బ్లాక్ అని, దట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐ సెడ్ నీగ్రో, బ్లాక్ అనే రాశారు.
సంస్కారాలు అత్త, సంస్కారాలు.
సంస్కారాలు మై సంస్కారాలు. బ్లాక్.
ఈ మధ్యన బ్లాక్ కూడా అనకూడదు, ఆఫ్రో అమెరికన్స్ అనాలన్నమాట.
సరే, ఓకే, ఫ్లోర్ ఇస్ ఓపెన్ టు డిస్కషన్. సో
ఆల్రెడీ
సో ఎవరిష్టం ఆడలే.
So Praveen, I just want to ask Praveen, are you what do you think about this karma and knowledge?
Karma and knowledge.
The response I gave, I don't know whether you listened to my response or not, but what is the
karma ante see karma ante last week మాట్లాడాము కదా మై ఎవరికన్నా.
నీ క్వశ్చన్ కి I answered with using the word terms karma and the knowledge kada adi. What do you think about that?
It's a general kind of answer మై అది కదా. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పావు, లైక్ యు ఆర్ డ్రైవింగ్, ఓకే, బాబా డ్రైవింగ్ అన్నావు, ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోయావు, దట్స్ ఫైన్. అదే కనుక డిచ్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయావు అనుకో నువ్వు కూడా, ఓకే, దెన్ అప్పుడేమంటావు, అరే మన కర్మరా నాయనా అంటావు. అదే లాస్ట్ వీక్ చెప్పాం కదా.
నువ్వు రంగా ఫ్యామిలీతో, రంగా కొడుకు, హీ ఆల్సో ఫీల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద హార్ట్ అండ్ ద కిల్లింగ్ ఇస్ ఓకే, దానికి రెస్పాన్స్ ఇచ్చాను కదా.
అది ఇప్పుడు మనం అందరం ఒక వేరే స్టేట్లలో ఉన్నాం కదా మై. సో రంగా కొడుకున్నాడు, ఓకే, హీ హ్యాస్ డిఫరెంట్ పాత్, హిస్ సంస్కారాస్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్, మన సంస్కారాస్ డిఫరెంట్, ఓకే. కానీ the issue is that I don't know if I agree whether if I say that whatever I am doing is right and he's doing is wrong, I don't know if I can agree with that. General concepts betti, yes, we will say
that broad question astanu, nu ఎవరిని చంపలేదు, వాడు చంపాడు. Who is in a better position from legal point of view or from moral point of view?
ఆడైనా ఉండుండొచ్చు కదా చిన్న, ఆడు చంపున్నా ప్రాబ్లీ ఫర్ ఎ గ్రేటర్ గుడ్ అయి ఉంటే ఆడైనా బెటర్ పొజిషన్ ఉండుండొచ్చుగా.
How he killed the person, that makes a big difference. How that person killed. మన కాపోళ్ళని సేవ్ చేసేద్దాం, మన కాపోళ్ళు మంచోళ్ళు, చెడ్డోళ్ళు అయినా కూడా మంచోళ్ళు, మిగతా వేరే క్యాస్ట్ వాళ్ళని చంపేద్దాం అని చెప్పి చంపేశాడు అనుకో,
అది తర్వాత వాడుకున్నారు మై. కానీ బేసిక్లీ లెట్స్ సే ఐ స్పిన్ ఇట్ ఇన్ అ వే వేర్ he killed only to help 10 rickshaw people so they can survive. He ఎవడో అన్యాయం చేస్తున్నాడు, he kind of stood up and he actually killed that guy, so it will help hundreds of poor people. Then where is we are in action ki we are making 100 people suffer, right? వాడు యాక్షన్ చేసి he is helping 100 people. మనం ఏంటంటే we will go away from it saying, hey, this is not right, we cannot correct the situation, we'll walk away అంటాం. That is our samskaras.
Raping, killing, they are certainly come under very bad actions కదా, legal point of view గానీ from the spiritual point of view గానీ.
చేయొచ్చు కదా చిన్న. సపోజ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు ఇంటికి వెళ్తున్నారు, ఆ రోజు ఆ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి డిచ్ లో పడిపోయిన వాళ్ళు హెల్ప్ చేసి ఉండొచ్చుగా. బట్ వాట్ వీఆర్ థింకింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఇస్ అవర్ సెల్ఫ్ దిస్ వన్. మనం బాగా వెళ్ళామా లేదా అనేది బాబా గారి గురించి ఆలోచించాం. డిచ్ లో ఉన్నోళ్ళు.
నీ పాయింట్ ఏంటి గౌతమ్? అర్థం కావట్లేదు నీ పాయింట్ ఏంటి చెప్పు
కదా కరెక్ట్లీ.
కెన్ యు బి క్లియర్ గౌతమ్ వాట్ యు ఆర్ సేయింగ్?
ఇప్పుడు ఆ రోజు మీరు ఇంటికి వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు చాలా మంది కార్లు డిచెస్ లో ఉన్నాయి అన్నారు.
అవునవును.
మరి ఆ డిచెస్ లో ఉన్న కార్ వాళ్ళకి మనం హెల్ప్ చేసి ఉండొచ్చు కదా. అవర్ ఇన్యాక్షన్ హ్యాస్ కాజ్ సమ్ సఫరింగ్ కదా.
Not necessarily. We are all in the same trouble.
That we can't say.
Maybe trouble.
So,
Gautam, there are hundreds of cars. There is no way I can help anybody. I'm only worried about my own self.
Yeah, that's what. మీరు చేసిన తప్పంటలే చిన్న. What you did is exactly right. But our inaction has directly or indirectly caused suffering to some people. And probably
Not
Ratta
necessary.
has also caused benefit to many other people.
కాదురా ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు చెప్పే పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే నేను ఆపేసి మిగతా వాళ్ళని అందరికీ హెల్ప్ చేయాలంటావు అంతేనా?
Probably.
అది
This
కాదు
one-
రవి, you
Inaction
you
కదా.
called Baba from the bottom of your heart. Baba came for help. They wouldn't have remembered God, the other people.
కాదు గౌతమ్ ఏమంటున్నాడంటే నేను ఆగి హెల్ప్ చేయకపోవటం వల్ల నేను
Moderator, give others chance also.
బాబా గారు అందరు తెలుసా?
Can I suggest something?
Hey,
One,
can I come in?
అయ్యో
Oh,
అయ్యో.
sorry, okay.
Can I come in? మరి మహాభారతం ఇట్స్ ఆల్ కిల్లింగ్ కదా మాయి.
Yeah, that's the duty. You're in the battleground. That is your duty. You have to fight.
That's what everyday life is about also. That's what he thought. He thought
thought?
by killing that fellow, whoever is cruel, it is helping about 100 lives. So this is everyday Mahabharata. This is modern Mahabharata. It's not necessarily it has to be
చేసి
battle.
ఎవరిని హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నాడు రా ఏంటి? బీ క్లియర్ ఆన్ ద వాట్ యువర్ సేయింగ్.
Help. అదే మా see, I mean, we do not know. We can't judge others అంటున్నాను. I am good, he is right, wrong అని చెప్పడానికి
Who
లేదు.
is judging others? Nobody is judging.
చెప్తుంది
We
అదే
didn't
కదా.
say we are judging anybody.
రాధాని జడ్జ్ చేయలేం కదా. రాధాని
We can't
రాధా
judge. We can't
No,
judge.
that is not the point. We are not judging anybody. I think you're totally misunderstanding. So నేనున్నాను ఆర్ ఎవరో ఉన్నాడు వాడు చంపుతున్నాడు. ఓకే, సైలెంట్ యువర్ ఫోన్స్ ప్లీజ్. నేనున్నాను, వేరే ఉన్నాడు, వేరే చంపుతున్నాడు, నేను చంపట్లేదు. In life law, who will be in a better position?
How do we say? That's what I'm saying. Even an army guy will kill. Jawan is also killing.
That is
Doing
different.
his duty.
His job is to kill.
Oh.
మహాభారతంలో ఆ సోల్జర్ ఉన్నాడు. His job is to kill. He has to do the duty. That's what exactly Krishna is saying. Do your job. Don't do not to do the job. నువ్వు సర్జరీ చేస్తున్నావు. You have to do the surgery. So we have to do our jobs. We are not talking about that.
What
We are talking about the discipline we follow. Forget about others. We are talking about the better path. Do we have a better? Why are we
You
not
had
going?
a choice,
killing?
You could have stayed back. You had a choice. You could have stayed back. But in spite of knowing that you are having a storm, you started off onto the road. Right? You could have stayed back, waited till
I'm
the
in a
storm.
different. I'm at clinic. Different clinic.
That's what I'm saying. That's a choice. You made a choice. And then you are saying Baba.
No. I'm at work. Prasanna,
knowledge
story.
kada. You have a knowledge, right? You have a knowledge about that there is a storm coming. If you didn't have a knowledge about storm coming, and then you had gone through this, and you had called for Baba, yes, I would agree. But you had been appraised.
No, Prasanna, you did not hear the story at all. I was at work. when the storm
I heard
started.
your story, my నీ story విన్నాను నేను. అది చెప్తున్నా.
I don't have a choice. రోజు స్టార్మ్స్ వస్తుంటాయి ఇక్కడ. మీకు వస్తుంటాయి. స్టార్మ్ వచ్చింది కదా అని చెప్పి మన వర్క్ మానేలేం కదా.
Work
Anyway.
you need not drive back.
I have
that
to. I'm in a
was
different town. I want to.
కాదు
I want to-
ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కాదు మై పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే
Can I also
so
come in?
we'll get
Moderator,
yeah.
Moderator retired. Moderator finished retired.
No, you have to moderate, Gautam. You have to moderate. This is where you have to moderate.
the discussion is going in all directions.
Allow one
You're not
person to talk.
moderating at all.
Yes.
And you retired on your own without anybody telling you to retire. Okay, sorry.
Okay,
So it's
Pavan,
going in
moderate,
different directions.
Pavan, Kiran,
Okay.
Ravi.
So whoever talks is going to be Chris. చాలా brief గా మాట్లాడాలి. But no one
Hey,
talks when.
Gautami,
No arguments.
don't
Yeah.
ask us to speak crisp after a marathon has already happened. Wait a
Yes.
minute. Give a second. Yes.
Okay.
Praveen,
సరే,
first
పాపం
thing.
చెప్పు.
Okay. First thing. See,
Yes.
Praveen, I want to take. I think your point was. I think we're going into that Ranga example, but I think the essence of your question was spirituality. Is it something an intellectual thing that you're doing, and is it only a luxury for people who have certain benefits and whatever that benefits are? Okay, compared to somebody who doesn't even have the time for all these spiritual talks. If I thought that was the essence of your question, at least one part of it. Fair enough, Praveen?
Yeah, and the other thing is we do not know where other people are. Adi. Yeah, those two. Yes.
Correct. I think we should not. Correct. Absolutely. See, my point is that we should not be comparing and matter. Every one of us, because of our sanskaric footprints, have our own blueprints and matter. Sarina? And that context is so intricate and so driven by, it's your own, it's your path, right? And so given that path, there is a unique path in terms of next steps, etc., further driven by how you deal with life and create further new sanskaras and matter. So I think we should not be comparing in a manner of us versus them. Just like we should not be comparing about Ravimai in the car and reaching home and a person in the truck who is in the ditch. That was his sanskaric path. Baba is there for him. God is there for him. The spirit is there for him. Higher consciousness is there for him. Somebody is there for him. Okay. Or somebody is not there for him. Everybody is in the equal position or not. Second thing, ante naaku, my view of spirituality is actually how we put into execution. So what I'm trying to say, if you've seen the movie Invictus, that is the Nelson Mandela idanmata, I don't know if you've had a chance to see that. There is this very beautiful poem that is recited in his cell anmata when they go to see his prison. He had probably the biggest suffering, I don't know how many, 27 years in that small 4 by 4 feet place. He probably led the most spiritual life, right, in that time. The lady you gave an example of, wherever Africa, who doesn't have the time and luxury, is probably leading a very, very spiritual life. She's doing the right thing for her family, right? She's on a Sunday or 7 days a week, she's working so for the benefit of her family, and she's doing an honest living to get some benefit for the family. Her life is probably more spiritual than just talking. These talks doesn't mean we are spiritual. These talks is just giving ourselves an opportunity to throw some light on Baba's teachings and reflect upon it. Some of us will take away A, somebody else will take away B, somebody else will take away C. Hopefully, it's going to be beneficial for all of us in our own ways, in our own sanskaric paths. Okay, so that's point number one I wanted to quickly mention. Point number two is referring back to Kiran's point. I don't know if Kiran is not earlier. About God. I think we are very much, I think Kiran, we are very much obsessed with this word God and Mata. Don't use the word God.
Yeah.
Forget it. Forget that word exists or not. I think we are also too obsessed with whether he exists or not. Forget it. Let's just say that we don't know. Who knows actually? I don't know whether he's there. Who am I? I'm not even a big person.
Actually, what the point you're now making is my point. Your point you're just now making is my point, actually.
Correct.
Which is, in our discussions, we focus on the value, but also on the God aspect of it. I think we focus on the value system. Let the God, I mean, it's each one his own, right? Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
If we take Baba's wish, kada, and I'm going back, I'm toggling between Praveen's point and Kiran's point, kada. If you take Baba's wish, let's just take that one page of Baba's wish, right? Forget about Meher Baba also, whether Meher Baba is God or not. Let's leave that aside also. Let's just take that wish. Nowhere is he saying you should believe in God. Just I feel, and it's very difficult to follow, but I'm just saying, if we take that as one directional statement, if we just follow that, I think there's a lot of upliftment, evolution, progress for us. That's it. Now, whether we say God is there, not there, whether we are being spiritual, not spiritual, these are all English words or not, actually. This is English words. This is a language, Anmat. To me, that's what it is. It's experiential. It is us trying to gain some more knowledge, and hopefully that knowledge influences us. There's a lot of duality in our conversations, and we are dual human beings, but whether who is right or who's wrong, whether a person is murdered somebody, is he better than us or worse than us? This is all, we don't know the context of his spiritual blueprint compared to ours. So we should focus on ours and keep moving forward, Amata, is what my thought process is. Sorry, Gautam, కొంచెం time తీసుకున్నాను. Jai Baba.
నేను ఒక క్వశ్చన్ చెప్తాను. గుడ్ బ్యాడ్ అనేది దెర్ ఇస్ నో గుడ్, దెర్ ఇస్ నో బ్యాడ్. తర్వాత ఒకటి, ఎనీ వర్క్ విత్ సెల్ఫిష్నెస్ ఇస్ బ్యాడ్. సెల్ఫ్లెస్ గా చేస్తే దట్ ఇస్ గుడ్. మంచి పని చేసామంటే గోల్డెన్ చైన్స్, బ్యాడ్ చేసామంటే ఐరన్ చైన్స్. అన్ని కాజ్ అండ్ ఎఫెక్ట్. మనం ఏమైతే చేసామో అదే సేమ్ మనకి ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. అంతేగాని మనం ఎవరైనా చిక్కామంటే వాడు మళ్ళీ తర్వాత మనం తట్టుపడతాం అన్నమాట. కాజ్ అండ్ ఎఫెక్ట్. మనం న్యూట్రల్ లవ్ చేసామంటే మళ్ళీ అవతల నుంచి లవ్ వస్తుంది. అది అంచేత యుద్ధంలో మరి చంపేస్తున్నారంటే అక్కడ సెల్ఫిష్ పర్సన్ లేదు, సేవ్ ది కంట్రీ. అదే ఒక డాక్టర్ నైఫ్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారంటే యూ వాంట్ టు సేవ్ ది లైఫ్, నాట్ విత్ ఎనీ గ్రిడ్జ్ యాంగర్ తో ఏం చేయట్లేదు. అదే కానీ విత్ ఇంటెన్షన్ సెల్ఫిష్నెస్ టు రాబ్ చేద్దాం అంటే దట్ ఈస్ బ్యాడ్ సంస్కారం వస్తుంది.
Good point, bhai. Good point, bhai. Kiran, go ahead. What were you saying, Kiran?
Kadam, I think our debate, the discussion was going in three different directions. Kada? So just
Yeah.
Pavan made a good point. So that
Very
is good.
Yeah.
Going back to Praveen's question, I think in the end of the day, we all have our own belief, right? Whether we acknowledge or not, there's a belief system, there's a value system in our heads. That value system has, over the years, has come firstly from our upbringing. Secondly, our environment, and thirdly, whatever our nature is, right? So there's nature plus nurture. So the accumulation of all of that creates a set of samskaras in us, right? Let's call it samskaras. And we at the end have to act based on what we believe.
You're breaking up,
I don't know who
Kiran.
Ranga is, but it's some. Oh,
Kiran,
sorry.
break it, Batno.
Break up is better. Any difference? Better? Is this better?
Yeah. Malla broke up.
Okay.
Go close to the good signal area.
Maybe you can drop off and rejoin, Kiran.
Go to close to your
Better.
Wi-Fi router.
And video off check.
Wi-Fi.
Video off check.
Video up. Video up.
Is this any better? Better?
Yeah, go keep talking. You're just breaking up. You're continuous, but you're breaking up.
Better?
Yeah,
Yeah.
better, Kiran. Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm saying is, at the end of the day, each of us is an accumulation of different values and beliefs that we accumulate based on our upbringing and our environment. Yeah. Some of our environments might be in Africa. Some of our environments might be in a jail in Africa. Nelson Mandela example is a great one. Some of us might be very wealthy. Yeah. But we might still be in a different place. So there's accumulation of all that. So that becomes our samskaras and how we represent ourselves. Okay. Now, I think in the end, in the universe, in the world, there's an equilibrium that is found. The Ranga's action and the Praveen's action and all of our actions put together will take us somewhere. So that's where I think free will comes. So I think that's where just saying leave it up to God or leaving it up to some other power without being active about it, and by being passive in that is a risk. That's what I feel. So that can be applied to your driving example, Mai, or it can be applied to Africa. It can be applied to our lives. Yes, we have a luxury, but in the end of the day, there is an equilibrium that is a consequence of all of our things, and each of us have to act. That is the only thing we can do, because if I act upon your perception of what good is, and if you act on somebody else's perception of what good is, then I think we're all just randomly doing things. It has to come from within. So I think that's a lesson I'm picking up from these discussions, and also some other things that Pavan has forwarded me. Pavan, that Brahma Kumari Shivani thing, no? So I think at
Can
the
I
end,
come?
Yeah, okay, ma. That's it. That's all my point. Jai Baba.
ఇప్పుడే ఐ కాల్డ్ చంటిమాయి ఓకే ఎందుకు రాలేదు అని ఏం చెప్పాడు తెలుసా? తనుజ వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వెళ్తుంటే పడిపోయాడంట. పడిపోయి బాబా బాబా అనుకున్నాను, నాకేం ఫ్రాక్చర్స్ కాలేదు, బ్రూయిజెస్ జరిగాయని బాగా కాళ్ళకి చేతులకి దెబ్బలు తగిలిని. ప్రసన్నకి తెలియదు అనుకుంటా ఇప్పుడు. ఎందుకు రాలేదు చంటి అని అంటే చెప్పాడు, బాబా నన్ను సేవ్ చేశారు ఫ్రాక్చర్ కాకుండా, నేను పడిపోయాను అక్కడ అని. So we attribute it to Baba. Baba comes in time and saves us, protects us. That is what I want to tell. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Praveen, come on in. Praveen.
Yamai. Yamai.
Yeah, you said you want to say something, right? You're
Led my, I think I
okay.
can announce
Gautam,
mine.
Gautam, go ahead.
Okay, I think we have a general consensus about everything. People differing in their opinions. ఇక్కడ ఏం నేను మార్చడానికి ట్రై చేయట్లేదు. So yeah, that's sums up. Kiran బాగానే
నీ comments ఇవ్వలేదు about the talk.
Talk, my main this one is about heart and mind, Chinnana. There's nothing like heart. Praveen చెప్పాడు. Praveen answered this question in a way. What we are talking about is entirely about the mind. There's nothing like a heart there. Heart doesn't talk. It's all about the mind. మనం స్పిరిచువాలిటీ మాట్లాడుతున్నాం అంటే దాని గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం అంటే మనం దాన్ని హార్ట్ అని చెప్తాం. మనం ఏదైనా ఇంకేదైనా స్పెసిఫిక్ గా ఏదైనా మనం ప్రొఫెషనల్ గా ఇవన్నీ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే దాన్ని ఇంటలెక్ట్ అంటాం. సో డిస్కషన్ లో ఏమి తయారైందంటే ద ఇంటలెక్ట్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ అన్ యాంటీ ఒక విలన్ లా చూస్తున్నాం అండ్ హార్ట్ మీన్స్ సంథింగ్ విచ్ డస్ ఆల్ ద పర్పస్ గుడ్ అని. Heart doesn't do anything. It all comes from the mind only. Pro or negative. So whatever.
Okay. Heart is something that's a feel that one gets when you're doing an action. Yeah, it's all the brain. It's all the brain. But it's the internal feeling that one gets due to an action. Punch చేసాను, that feel that you get.
Feeling వచ్చేదేమో
you feel that కాబట్టి heart అని చెప్పారు.
హార్ట్ అని చెప్పుకుంటున్నాం అంతే.
చెప్పుకుంటాం. Everything is brain. It's just a way of expression అంతే.
But ఎందుకు చేస్తాం అనేది కూడా ఇట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద బ్రెయిన్, ఇట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఇంటలెక్ట్. ద హోల్ థింగ్ కమ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఇంటలెక్ట్ ఓన్లీ. వి ఆర్ అంటే బాబా గారు మరి అలా చెప్పడం అనేది ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ ఫార్ రైట్ ఇట్ ఇస్. హార్ట్ అనేది ఇస్ నాట్ ఎ డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్ టోటలీ. అంటే హార్ట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ హార్ట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ అండ్ ఆల్.
Okay, forget about the heart.
Forget
about the heart. What about the love part of it?
Even that part also comes from the intellect only, Shanana.
Okay, let's agree.
A combination of chemicals that will lead to love.
Agree, Gautam. Forget about the heart. Okay.
Only.
Okay. What about the love that is coming from the mind?
Mind that comes from the love is a complex interplay of chemicals that have come up through your phases of life, early upbringing nunchi.
So what Baba is talking about is the divine love. Okay. The love that comes from our mind is selfish love anamata. There are strings attached. I love my daughters. I love to have good food. The ultimate result is the gratification of my own mind. Whereas divine love is, there is no result that satisfies me. And that is most powerful. That is what Baba is saying anamata.
Okay.
So based on that, forget about heart. So what do you think about the love? Feeling of love.
Love is not something what you want. It's always to give. Love anta no selfish ga adugutunటే it's not love. Love is something you give.
ఇప్పుడు మా వర్క్ లో ఏమైందంటే ఒక వన్ లేడీ ఆర్గ్యూడ్ అండ్ లెఫ్ట్ అన్నమాట. ఏదో ఎమోషనల్ గా చెప్పేసి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. దెన్ ఈవినింగ్ అయిపోయింది. దెన్ హోల్ నైట్ ఐ వాస్ థింకింగ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు లాజికల్ గా థింక్ చేసి వాట్ షీ సెడ్ వాజ్ నాట్ రైట్. ఎమోషనల్ గా ఇల్లాజికల్ గా ఏదో చెప్పేసి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ డే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ హర్ ద లాజికల్ రీజన్ అండ్ బీ అబౌవ్ టాక్ టు హర్ అట్లా అనుకున్నాను అనమాట. దట్ ఈస్ హౌ వీ థింక్ అనమాట కదా. అక్కడ I used love. Okay, same విషయం, same response, instead of giving a retort చేయకుండా with a feeling of love మాట్లాడాను. That made a huge difference. So that you cannot deny, right? In this example, how you talk with love versus నేను ఎలా మాట్లాడావు, ఇదే ఆన్సర్, you are wrong, this is the logical thing. అది ఒక టైప్ ఆఫ్ టాక్ అనమాట. విచ్ వన్ వుడ్ బి మోర్ యూస్ఫుల్? టాకింగ్ విత్ లవ్ ఈజ్ మోర్ యూస్ఫుల్. దట్ వే షీ విల్ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ ఏ నాట్ ఎమోషనల్ వే She thinks, okay, I'm not arguing with her, and in a soft mode, and she agreed to that, and then she followed it. That is what I'm talking about, the love. Forget about the heart and God and all those things.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I concur with you. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, we'll conclude.
So let's conclude.
Yeah, let's conclude.
But
Kiran
Kiran
is
ఏదో
just-
అడుగుతున్నాడు కిరణ్.
Last question.
Sorry, I was going to type. I need to go, but I couldn't find it. ఏదో తప్పుదో కొట్టేసాను.
సరే ప్రేయర్
Okay.
చేయండి.
Okay, prayer.
Chip Gita.
Beloved God, help us all to love you more and more and still yet more till we become worthy of union with you. Help us all to hold fast to Baba's daman till the very end. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Thank you, Baba, for a wonderful session. Thank you. Jai Baba.
Jai
Bye.
Baba.
Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
అందరికీ జై బాబా ఉంటాను.
Good
జై
night. Good day.
Jai
Bye.
Baba.
Hey, Baba.
జై.